Programming your 1997 Chevy Silverado key fob is a straightforward DIY process. Start by inserting your key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times to put the body control module into programming mode. Within 10 to 30 seconds of the last cycle, press and hold the lock button on your key fob. The body control module will recognize the fob's unique code transmitted via a 314 MHz radio frequency signal. If successful, the doors may lock and unlock, or the vehicle may beep to confirm the pairing. If you have multiple fobs, repeat this step for each within the same programming session. Ensure your fob has a fresh 12-volt battery, like a CR2032, for optimal signal strength. This method leverages the vehicle's onboard receiver and manual synchronization. Remember, this process is analog and doesn't involve any digital tools or smartphone apps. If your key fob isn't programming, check the battery first. Ensure it's new and properly installed, as a weak battery often causes failures. Be aware of radio frequency interference. Sources like 5G networks can disrupt signals. Program the fob in a location with minimal interference. If problems persist, the body control module may have issues like shorts or corroded wiring, common in older vehicles. Use an OBD2 scanner to diagnose body control module fault codes. Always verify vehicle ownership to avoid legal issues related to anti-theft laws. For aftermarket universal fobs, ensure they are compatible with the 1997 Silverado's 3-button system, including lock, unlock, and panic. DIY programming has a high success rate, but consult a professional mechanic if you encounter persistent difficulties or suspect deeper electrical problems.